Subscribe to our channel Career Tutorial and press the bell icon to get the latest notification related to career and tips.
Friends, welcome back to my channel Career Tutorial. Friends, today I am going to talk about XY grade of Air Force examination, that is XY level of job and difference between them, as well as the procedure and the exam related things. So friends, without any delay, let's begin this video. Friends, yesterday I had made a video on AFCAT, that is Air Force Common Admission Test. This examination is held on the graduation basis, that is after your graduation you have completed, you can appear at this examination for different official posts. But today for the XY group of Air Force Defense Sector, basically it is conducted for the students whoever wants to serve in Indian Air Force after class 12. They can appear with different posts and grades. For example, in the X group there is technical posts, most of the posts are technical, whereas in Y group there is non-technical post. For example, in X group, that is like automobile fitter, electronic fitter, electrical fitter, mechanical fitter, propulsion fitter, workshop fitter, weapon fitter, this type of technical posts are there. Actually their work is to help the officers or the working as the technician. Their main work is like that. It is non-official post. And similarly in the Y group there is non-technical post like admin assistant, medical assistant, logistic assistant, environment support service assistant, meteorological assistant and ground training assistant, Indian Air Force Police Security. This type of posts are in Y group. And all this examination includes this type of posts, for which if you are interested then you can apply. Actually at the 12th level you must have your subjects like physics, chemistry, English with minimum 50 aggregate percentage in class 12th for applying at this X group of this job in this Air Force. And for Y group you must have your 12th with physics, chemistry and mathematics, whereas for the medical staff you must have, for the medical assistant you must have biology in class 12th. And in X group for education assistant or instructor you must have B.Ed degree along with your graduation. It is the only for which you need to be graduated. Along with it, all the posts you can apply for after class 12th appearing or passed out. And this examination, what is the pattern I am going to talk about it, that is maths, physics and English for X group, and there is separate exam for Y, that is English and reasoning. This type of things come for the Y group. And the examination is of 60 minutes comprising online examination along with everything of the basic level, but you will have to study hard to get, because this is a competition. Actually some exam are of easy level, but the competition is so much high that the overall exam become tougher on the competition level. That's why we need to prepare well for that, doing coaching and this type of things. The same way as NDA on the 12th level, lot of students also prepare for that. So if you are interested then you can also look out for this and also fill this form. Actually it is non-official post, but NDA has a lot of other different officials and posts in flying department as well, like being the pilot in the aircraft of Indian Air Force and that way. But it is also not bad. You can check out also for this on its official website as well if you are interested. After you have qualified this examination, you will have to appear at its adaptability test 1 and 2. Here basically they give you some conditional situation and just ask your response, that how will you react in this situation. This type of written examination kind of things happens, and when you qualify this, then after you will have to give your medical test to show your fitness level, and also you will have to show your vision, your height, your weight, that you must not have any chronic disease. They will everything check, and then after you will get the final list and you will be shortlisted for the final selection. This is the basic method for getting selection in this cadre of Air Force department in the defense sector, if you are interested. And so friends, this was a small video, just I wanted to make you aware that what two different type of groups X and Y exist in the Air Force defense sector, and how can we apply for this. You can also check it out about more details on its official website, that is, it is on the screen flashing as of now. You can visit it. And friends, that's all for today. If you like, then share to your friends and family, whoever is aspiring for the preparation like NDA and this type of AFCAT or any other defense examination. You must share them this video. And also if you like, then subscribe our channel to get the latest notification, and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification very first. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video.